A very good morning to everyone. Well, firstly, playing at the home ground, I think it's really, I would say I'm really very happy to be here because, what else we need playing at the home ground, and of course the fans are very, very supportive all the time. And I think, with the support, Badminton Association of India has been very, very supportive. Thank you, Sanjay sir, for the support. And I think apart from that, I would say that it's very important, as athletes. You must be thinking that we have to perform all the time. I understand that. Keeping that in mind, I think it's also important to take care of our body and make sure we are injury free and I think give our best. We always go into a tournament thinking that we want to give our best and give our 100%. But I think, at the end of the day, I would just want to say that as an athlete, we would always give our best, and especially happening in India, the Indian Open in Delhi, I think we will put our efforts and give our 100%. That's what I would want to say from the athlete's perspective. But I think from the media, you've always been very supportive, and I know how important it is for you to also understand from our perspective. But I also want to say that as an athlete, as a player, we try and give our 100% no matter what. And finally, I think it's a great pleasure to be here today, and I think it's always nice to play in Delhi because every year, starting the year, of course, we had Malaysian Open, but I think, in Jan, playing the Indian Open, it's always nice to play at the start of the year, new year, fresh year. So I hope we get some good results here. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that.
Delhi Open. So really excited to be here. I've always watched my seniors play here and always wanted to be here. So yeah, I think really looking forward for the matches. Hope I'll be getting the home support, even though I'm playing the home favorite, Lakshya. So yeah, I think hope I'll have a great week and really excited to be here.
That's called.
I think every year it's kind of, as players, we look forward to the India Open because it's that event of the year where we can play in front of the home crowd and home support, and I think that feeling is something else which you don't get the entire year. So I think it's really exciting. For me, it's kind of getting an entry the last week, and I think I was really excited because I thought that probably this year it was not possible to kind of compete here, but fortunately I could be back, and I think as a player, I think we have seen the evolution of the India Open since last 15 odd years, and I think to be a part of that amazing journey and to see that the tournament is growing every year bigger and bigger, I think it's a big proud moment for us as players as well, because I think the amount of effort I think Badminton Association of India is taking to kind of promote the sport and to make sure that each and every year it's getting bigger, and obviously going forward in August we have the bigger one like the BWF World Championships coming back to India. I think it's something huge for the country and for the sport because I think a lot of people would follow the sport because it's a World Championship. So I think really proud to be in this stage over here, and I hope that I'll have a great week, and especially all of us, especially the Indian players out there. So thank you so much.
Good afternoon to all. It's really I'm really happy to be here. I think Sindhu's covered pretty much all of it. I think we've been playing. The first time we played India Open was back in 2017, and it's only become bigger and bigger. And I think we've won a lot of tournaments, but I think winning the India Open back in 22 gave us a huge boost for the year. And I think likewise this time around too, we would want to go as deep into the tournament as possible. Like Sindhu said, right. The season has just started, and I think if he perform well, I think it gives us a huge boost to perform for the rest of the year. And yeah, I think I hope to see many fans come and support us in huge numbers at the stadium, because I think to have the support in the stadium really pushes us to do better. And we've seen how packed the stadiums are in Indonesia and Malaysia, and to be having the same atmosphere back home, I think it would be really good. So yeah, I hope to see many fans come out and support us in huge numbers, and I hope that the Indian contingent plays under the very last day, and you'll see many players and pairs performing well. So yeah, thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. Really happy to be here. Just want to say congratulations to the BA team, Sanjay sir, for conducting very successful World Junior Champion and Guwahati tournament. And every year it's getting bigger and bigger. And this year we got a bigger stadium as well. And we got in August we have a bigger tournament, World Championship as well. And thanks for making it huge every year. Last year when we started in COVID, I think we won in COVID that year. Next year it was full, and the last year was from the first round it was full, crowd was full. And I think this year also I think we are expecting a full crowd, and it's getting more and more everywhere. We can see a lot of people started playing badminton as well. And obviously thank you to Yonex Sunrise for being their back pillar from very long time, from very past history. We have so much from history. So thank you Yonex Sunrise for supporting always, and yeah, looking forward for a great week.